We are unboxing the new seat for the Subaru Wagon build. We have in this box, brand new, from Sparco, our QRT Advanced something or other seat. I'll put the thing up of what it actually is on the screen. I'm very excited about this. As large as this box is, this thing weighs all of about 10 pounds. My dog weighs more than this thing. Oh, it's so satisfying. Whoa. Oh, baby. Oh, we're gonna be locked into place. This is nuts. I'm not gonna be able to see a freaking thing out the side of the car. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, can I go back farther? What am I hitting on here? Oh no. Oh, we're hitting on the top of the roll cage. How are we doing down here? Oh no. Okay, and we're hitting on the roll cage down here. I've already done some damage. Okay, let me show you what I'm dealing with here. Right up top here. Top of the seat is hitting. And then down here, this is a good angle to show you. The seat rail, this corner, is hitting the loop of the roll cage. I could smush the roll cage down. I could cut the seat rail, or I could put spacers in. I think I'm gonna go the spacer route. Oh, that's underneath the mounting point over here too. Oh, I've done some damage. Oh. I have some bolts and some nuts and some washers. And I found some, I think these are stainless steel bushings, but we're gonna use them as spacers just to see if that will help our seat mounting situation. And if it will, then we can either do some type of custom seat rails or just some thicker spacers to give it a little more purchase and surface area. So let me get these things in. Once these are in and snugged down, I can get in this seat. You can see me struggle to get in and out of this car and test fit. I can't see what's going on at all, which is part of my issue. Oh. Well, that would also be part of the issue. Oh. I might have to gently modify these seat rails. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh. Current issue is the mounting holes on the seat rails don't meet up with the mounting holes on our chassis mount here. So the first thing that we're going to try is to extend the slots on the seat rails a little bit outboard. So we'll punch center holes, drill them out, see if that helps. Second solution, which I don't really want to do, but we can if we need to, is the seat rails are a little bit flared at the base. They come straight down, flare outward, and then they curl back in flat. So if we straighten them, that'll also give us more room to avoid the upward curve of the mounting points here. And it'll probably allow us to move it back a little bit more. But I don't want to modify the seat rail, so that's the second option. So let's get to hammering. With the little drill bit here, we are just going to the little spots that we punched and drilling pilot holes, so when we come and blast these holes bigger with the larger drill bit to match, it won't walk and it'll be a little bit easier to cut. Yeah, I think this is a good 3/8. supposed to use a drill bit. We're gonna edit all of that out. This drill bit seems worse than the other one. Yeah, this drill bit is freaking destroyed. Oh no. That's why we don't use a drill bit like that. I really need a die grinder. Okay. That will help a lot. Let's get a vacuum in here real quick. Okay, let's try that. Oh, I got the hang of that now. Maybe I should start with the back, because the back is going to want to dictate the rest of this. Alright, I know that these are not very good camera angles, but they're not, I can't see what I'm doing myself, so there's that. Oh no. I don't even think that I can get the bolts in with the seat rails on the seat. Oh, this is always something. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, everything fits way better now. And I really feel like I can move it back a decent amount. Should I try moving it back a little bit? Oh, come on. There we go. Are they both in? They are. Now I gotta figure out how to put nuts and washers on these. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna lose my mind trying to do this too. Yes. Let's get you finger tight for now. Why aren't you threading easily, please? I don't know if you can see any of this. I can't see a single bit of this. I don't even know where that went. There it is. Oh. All right, all 4 bolts are finger tight now. Nice. Oh. I feel like this is way too far forward, but for all intents and purposes, it is mounted. Ooh, concern. The shoulder bolster is awfully close to the side. Oh, we're good. Yeah, we're way good. Oh, alright, because I'm a psychopath about all the wrong stuff, I went, uncovered Shiba from the driveway just to get the floor mat out of it so that I can put it on the floor in here. And it turns out that the roll cage is in the way anyway. It's good enough for now. Because we're getting in. Okay. I'm mostly in. I think I'm in. I do believe I'm in. I'm way too high. But I think I'm at a pretty good distance. This needs to come up as much as it can, which is not, we're at not enough. That's not going to help. But I suppose if I took the dash out, I could get maybe like another ½ inch of lift up, which I might need to do. Alright, now you get to see me struggle to get out of this thing. I have to do this with a helmet and a head and neck restraint on. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. That's... Okay. Wheel off. It's gonna be tight. Oh man. Oh jeez. Okay, that's gonna have to be the procedure. that's difficult. We're gonna have to do a lot of practicing. Oh, geez. A little better. My hips are not, thighs are not really on the seat properly. Yeah, I think I want to be back a little further. Oh, am I even gonna be able to do that? Oh, what a pain. All right, time to adjust again. Do need to get this right. Alrighty, I think that wraps up the seat installation and fitment. The Sparco containment seat fits phenomenally, mostly. It fits me phenomenally. I love the way that it looks, and now it is time to move on to the STI because we need to get that thing out of the garage. If you liked what you saw today and you liked the parts that I was installing on my Widebody race car here, please like and subscribe. It helps out more than you know, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon.